Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authorize role-based access with Firebase, complete guide step by step clearly. Start by logging into your Firebase console. Create a new project or select an existing project. Navigate to the Firestore database section from the left sidebar. If it's your first time using Firestore, click on Create Database. Choose a security rules mode for your database, either Start and Test. Click Done to create your Firestore database. Next, configure your authentication method. Go to the Authentication section in the left sidebar. Click on the Get Started button if it's your first time setting it up. Choose a sign-in method from the options provided, such as email/password or Google. Enable the selected authentication method and click on Save. Now, define user roles to manage access. Open the Firestore database section again and navigate to Rules. Clear the default rules and define custom rules based on user role. For example, to allow read access for all users and write access only for admins, use the following code snippet. servicecloud.firestore match/databases/database/documents. Deploy your security rules by clicking Publish. Now, add role information to user tokens. Integrate Firebase authentication into your app and manage user roles. When a user is authenticated, assign them a role. You can store user roles in the Firestore database or as part of the user's Firebase authentication token. Use Firebase Admin SDK to help manage user roles programmatically. To do this, install Firebase Admin SDK in your server environment. After installation, initialize the SDK with your service account credentials. Use the Set Custom User Claims method to assign roles to users. For example, assign the admin role using the following code. admin_auth.setCustomUserClaims UID role admin.then equals console.log user role assign. Use Firebase authentication on the client side to check user roles. When the user logs in, decode their token and check their assigned role. You can conditionally render components based on the user's role in your application. Finally, test your implementation. Log in as users with different roles and verify that access is controlled as per your settings. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.